Hey guys, what is going on? Happy Wednesday. So this will be my last day working for the rest of the week. Gonna take a little trip to Florida tomorrow through Sunday. Be back at it Monday. Got a busy week already next week. Went out and did a consultation this morning. Floors are gonna need to be sanded. Also had some good leads come in this morning. So today we are in Duluth, Georgia. This is actually one of my repeat clients, Miss Shelly. I used to clean her carpets, guys, for almost 10 years. And she follows me on Facebook. And she said, Courtney, I got some new furniture coming and I'm tired of looking at these floors. So I need you to come out and give me a quote. So I came out and gave her a quote. Actually, not last Saturday, but the following Saturday. She booked on the spot. We got 916 square feet, engineered wood floor, screen and recoat with UV cure, and then also doing 14 stairs and a landing. And then once we get the coating down here, we're gonna shoot into the city. One of my teams actually wrapped up a sanding job with UV cure. We're gonna UV cure that today. Got some great feedback from the client last night after he went and looked at the floors. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Duluth, Georgia, and got my buddy Aaron with me. So we're doing some engineered floors, screen and recoat with UV cure. So we got this whole area. And Sheila said, Courtney, she said let's go around the table. She didn't move the table, but she moved the rest of the stuff because she's getting new furniture. There's my buddy Aaron, getting a nice screen on these floors, as you can see. And I am actually doing the stairs. So I've already done those stairs in the landing. I'm gonna do these stairs. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the finish made up, and we're gonna get the finish put down. And then we're gonna go off, like I said, into the city, UV cure that floor, and come back and UV cure this, and be off for the rest of the week. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we got a great screen on the floor. Aaron is vacuuming. I'm gonna start cleaning and tacking using my True Neutral cleaner. Smells so good. All right, guys, go ahead and get these floors clean and tacked. Get the poly down. Stay tuned.
And you can say, okay, I like this way, this is dark enough or not, right? So, you'll get an idea, should you choose to, go, you get an idea of, what you're looking at. So, right. Like I said, thanks for hanging on, Iris, and I'll make sure I see you guys in the morning. Okay, thank you. All right, thank you. See you well. So now you're serious. Mm-hmm. especially, supposed random occurrences, because like, you know how traffic is in Atlanta, it might hold you up like 3 minutes.
Bingo.
You might miss somebody, but in that moment, you and that person are talking for whatever reason. Y'all supposed to share something with each other. And it could be something random, hey man, nice clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Everything ain't gotta be.
All right, guys, we just got back from Campbellton, the Campbellton, South Fulton area. We just did the UV cure for my client Chris. As you see in the last video, he loved the floors, gave us a really nice tip too. So we're back in Duluth for my client Shelly, and now I'm UV curing her floors. Floors came out great. So we're doing the UV cure system now. So there's 2 UV cures one day. And I've done multiple UV cures in a day. And like I said, this is what people love about this this service of the UV cure is like both of my clients, they both have furniture coming tomorrow. So the UV cure instantly cures the finish. So you don't have to wait another 4 to 5 days, okay, to put furniture back, and then a week or 2 to put rugs back. This is the coolest benefit of the UV cure. All right, the floors came out amazing. It's a nice satin finish, not too shiny, nice protection. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I will be out of town for the rest of the week. Be back at it Monday. I actually had a repeat client who follows me on Facebook. She booked her countertops to get done. Her kitchen granite countertops. I'm going to be doing hers Friday, and I also have a screen and recoat with UV cure in the same area on Friday. And actually Monday got a brand new floor. We're going to be removing wax, and also the client that we did yesterday. He was so happy with his floors. He wrote us a great review on Google as well. He's having us come back Monday to do his kitchen countertops. So, all right, guys, floors look amazing. Shout out to my guy Aaron for giving me a hand. We also got the stairs done. Like I said, this is one of my long time carpet cleaning clients who use me for. Miss Shelly she's been a client of mine for over 10 years. We've cleaned her carpets numerous times. And she said, Courtney, let me go ahead and get these wood floors done. And that's what we did today, screen and recoat with UV cure. All right, guys, see you in the next one.